Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how to make this absolutely tasty salmon nuggets recipe. They're so crispy, so flavorful. I can't wait to show you guys how to make it. But before I begin, if you're new here, be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Like the video if you enjoy. And if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get started. Alright guys, here are the ingredients. I will have them listed on the screen for you guys as well as the description box. So I have 2 eggs here. I am using Louisiana hot sauce. We have some cornstarch to make this nice and crunchy. And also we have ground black pepper, garlic powder, slap your mama Cajun seasoning, Old Bay seasoning as well. And here I have some all-purpose flour that we're going to use as the breading for this fish. And last but not least, I have the salmon that I'm going to be using. I am using skinless salmon. I will have all the measurement below for you guys as usual. To begin, I am going to start by seasoning my flour. I'm taking all of that dry seasoning, just pour it all over the flour. Then we're going to take a whisk and whisk everything together. Now, if the flour is still looking white, you might need more seasoning because you have to taste it to know if you need more seasoning. So take a little bit of flour. I'm not telling you to eat the flour now. I know that's not healthy, but just taste it just to see if you need more seasoning, of course, and stir everything together. Now we're going to set that aside. Moving on to the egg. In this bowl here, I am going to crack 2 eggs and I am going to be adding in my hot sauce in there. Once you're done with your egg, you're going to set it aside. We're going to move on to our fish. Okay, here is the salmon, nice and clean, of course. I am going to trim that side off. Just set it aside because I just like everything to look uniform, but of course you can fry that and eat it if you're making this at home for yourself. Now you're going to cut it the long way, of course, just to form the shape of a tender. Then I'll show you guys what to do next. Stay tuned. Quick reminder guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join the family. I make awesome recipes here that you don't want to miss, so be sure to subscribe. Let me know that you are new in the comments and let's continue. Alright, now you're done cutting your salmon, so you're going to take a little bit of that Old Bay seasoning, just sprinkle it all over very lightly because you're going to use that seasoned flour. Keep that in mind. So very lightly rub your fingers through it and flip it over and add some more Old Bay and, you know, just rub your hands all over it once more. All right, now we're getting ready to fry this salmon. We have the salmon, the egg mixture, as well as the seasoned flour. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to take your salmon, you're going to dip it into the egg mixture. Make sure it's well coated, just like that. Now you're going to dredge your salmon into the flour just like so. Make sure it's well coated with the flour. Once you're done, shake it off to remove any excess flour and put it in a plate on the side, okay? Now, one tip I want to give you guys, if you want, you can take your salmon, place it back into the egg mixture and put it back in the flour just to have an extra crunchy double breading. But I don't really like that, especially when I'm making fried fish, because I like to taste the fish over the breading. I like the breading, but I don't like the breading to be too heavy on the fish when I'm eating fish. So that's why I do it one time. If you want, you can double bread this if you want. Double flour it. But before I fry it, another quick tip, I like to let it sit for about 5 minutes so the flour can look a little bit wet, if you know what I'm saying. Don't fry it right away. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, then you can fry it. Now here I have my oil ready to go. It is 350 degrees. I am going to place my salmon right in there. Make sure it's nice and hot. Okay, now we're going to fry the salmon for about 4 to 5 minutes. Don't overcook your salmon because you want it to be nice and flaky. So don't overcook it. It's looking beautiful so far. It's frying very well, very nicely. And look at these bad boys. Oh my God, they look so crispy. Oh my goodness. Beautiful, beautiful salmon tenders. How nice is that? That right there deserve a thumbs up. But anywho, now I am going to fry my last batch. I'm just going to let you guys watch it. Once I'm done, I'll show you guys what's next. So once I'm done with my last batch, I went ahead and make a quick sauce. I will leave that below for you guys. It's Dijon mustard, mayo, Louisiana hot sauce, and basically stir that together. If you want, you can make a butter sauce for this. Personally, I didn't want to make a butter sauce, so I make this quick sauce. It tastes awesome. So now I'm going to plate these for you guys. Ooh, Lord, it looks so crispy and crunchy. I hope you guys try this out. Look at these. It's the plating for me. I have to plate it for you guys, but this is it. This is basically how you make salmon tenders at home. Super quick, restaurant quality. Yep, definitely try this out, y'all. All right, guys, I'm super excited to try these salmon tenders. They look so crispy. Wait till you hear the crunch. Let's give it a try together. Super crispy, so flaky. You can taste the hints of the Old Bay. It's so good. You got to try this. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Of course, give this video a thumbs up for me because this video definitely deserves a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below if you're going to try this out, and I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.